I went to Harbor Freight and got a sandblaster. We're going to be able to sandblast and then powder coat my own parts right here. So I'm going to assemble real quick and be here when it's done. Alright, hours went by and just now I'm done. So yeah, look at the size of that. I need to hook up the hose. My compressor is down here and we're gonna do that tomorrow. Alright, I forgot to do something in there. So there's a valve on the bottom that you gotta open also. Woo! Okay, I will need to shut this door. Dang. Alright. Yeah, see that? It's flying that everywhere, so I need to figure something out. But let's see the parts. Very, very smooth, very good. It take a while, that one, to clean. And you know, I mean, it does the job, but it's taking a while. That one, on the other hand, I've learned that is for the outside, and I thought I could use in here, but apparently not. So I'm going to put a quick connect in here, and I'm going to try to use the gun that this thing came with. Alright, so you can see here, shiny. That's where I was polishing before, and you see here, it's dull. It's where I did right now. So it's very, very smooth, and that's where the sandblasting happened. Now the question is this clean to get powder coated? That's one thing. I would think that this, yeah, see the difference right there? So this is where I did and where I didn't sandblast. But I would like to clean this here, so I might need a different kind of media. Yeah. So far, I think this is fine. I do not need that, apparently. I just need the gun that came with it. I'm not sure what to tell you yet, because I was expecting to blast it and, you know, just have parts falling off my engine parts, and I didn't. So I mean, if I'm gonna rate from 1 to 10 through 10, I would give it like, for now, without knowing much, a 3, because wrong media probably. I don't know. And that's it, guys. I guess I have some learning to do. It took me hours, so this is going to take you 10 to 12 hours to put it together. It took me 6 hours, then, well, maybe 7 hours, fine. It's a lot though, it's a lot. It does what it's supposed to do. I'm not quite positive about the gun on that guy, but this here works. I just need to realize here how I put this thing together to be able to get enough media in there. Because when the media comes out, you see that it works. And I think if the media is a little rougher, it's gonna take this also. So yeah, I guess I just need to choose my media properly, for one. Second, this thing here, you need to seal the bottom, because you see here it's full of dust, so I need to blow this and do all that stuff. And I can't do this right here because I am building a engine, so I have parts here that cannot have that kind of dust. That's old, so it's fine. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to buy the Harbor Freight sandblaster, yep, it's up to you. You saw, I don't know if I recommend or not yet. Watch the next videos I'm going to make it work regardless. So yeah, you can see how. But I need to learn tonight. Alright, later guys, thanks for watching.